This video is going to show you how to assemble a silver satin telephone cord. Tools you're going to need are the silver satin cord, multimeter, your RJ11 connectors, ensuring that they have 4 pins, 2 modaps, electrician scissors, your crimp tool, and a cable tester is optional. First, insert the cord into the crimp tool, pushing until the black stopping point on the back. You're going to press down until you feel pressure, and then pull the cable away from the crimp tool. Once the outer sheathing has been removed, make sure to have the same color code on both sides. After inserting the cord into the RJ11 connector, you're going to put the connector into the 6P slot of the crimp tool and crimp down. Repeat the previous steps onto the other side of the cord. After finishing both sides of the silver satin cord, we're going to show you 2 ways how to test if your cord works. First way is to be using 2 modaps and a multimeter. The second way of how to test the cable is a little easier, and that's by using a cable tester. First, you're going to plug both ends of the completed telephone cord into the modaps. Next, turn the multimeter onto continuity mode. After turning the multimeter to continuity mode, we're going to be testing numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6 on both modaps at the same time. All you have to do is touch one of the modaps 3 with the black prong and the other modaps 3 with the red prong, continuing to 4, 5, and 6. If you hear the ringing from the multimeter on all these numbers, then you have continuity. The next way to test it is with the cable tester. Simply plug both sides of the cable into the RJ11 slots of the multimeter, ensuring that the voice option is on. If you see the numbers 3 and 4 solid, the rest blinking, it means you have continuity.